You wanted to see a grappling hook made, and I asked Google what the best type of rope was. We got it now, so let's go. Once again, this is an educational video, so please do not recreate any of the things here. They're done by professionals. What are you doing? Don't show that. TikTok will get mad.
You already know I had to pull out the 1/2-inch rebar for this. I use it for everything. This video clearly is not a how-to because I'm not giving you any information just because TikTok will get really mad about that. So we're going to call it entertainment. So hopefully it's entertaining. We will continue to do suggestions like this, but unfortunately I can't do anything too dangerous. Caught the music. It doesn't actually look this good, but honestly, I really like how it turned out and I think it works. So we'll take it out next time we go pick up trash and make it into stuff. Like and follow for more.
Oh yeah. Oh, looky there. Yeah, that looks real nice. Woo! Bro. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Beautiful.
When cold welding machine welding, tungsten needle is 1 mm away from the wire. This is the only way to successfully weld. The tungsten pin should be in front of the welding wire with each stroke. Don't put the tungsten needle into the positive of the welding wire. Did you learn it? I am 15 years old and have been studying welding for 1 month. Today was my first lesson for my welding test. Hopefully I can pass the exam.